Good morning, everyone. Welcome back, my dear children. How are you all? Children, as we all know, there are different types of animals. We have learned all about them. Yes? So today, before we start our class, let us revise the wild animals and domestic animals. Okay, children? Are you all ready? Okay, so let's start. Wild animals. My dear children, wild animals are dangerous. We should not go near them. So let us see some wild animals. So the first animal is tiger. This is a tiger, a national animal. Lion. This is a lion, the king of the jungle. Lion. Monkey. This is a monkey. Monkey. An elephant. This is an elephant. These are wild animals. So, my dear children, I hope you all are clear with the wild animals. Yes? So now let us revise the domestic animals. Domestic animals can be kept at home. They are useful for us. These are domestic animals. Children, now let us revise the domestic animals. My dear children, you have to repeat after me. Okay? So, come on, look here on the screen, and the first picture is goat. This is a goat. Come on, children, repeat after me. Goat. G says goat. Horse. What is this, children? This is a horse. H says horse. Horse. Oh, what is this? Which animal is this? This is a camel. K says camel. Come on now, who will tell me? Name these animals. Yes, a dog and a cat. So, my dear children, this was all about domestic animals and wild animals. Dear children, have you ever gone to seaside? Do you know what is an ocean or sea? What kind of animals live in them? Today, we will learn something new. Let's start. Water animals. My dear children, water animals are usually known as sea animals. Just like birds, water animals are another beautiful animals in this world. Water animals live and swim in water. So, my dear children, today we are going to learn about water animals. Let's start. Come on, children, tell me, what is this?
This is a fish. Says fish.
A fish lives and swims in water. Come on, children, look here. Now tell me, what is the color of this fish?
The color of this fish is blue. blue and yellow.
Correct. Let's see another water animal. It has 10 legs and 2 small eyes. And it lives in the water. It's a crab. K-r-a-b. Crab. This is a crab. It has 10 legs and 2 small eyes. This is a crab. Come on, children, repeat after me. What is this?
This is a crab.
Say it again.
This is a crab.
So, my dear children, this was about a crab. Now, let's see another water animal. Yes, are you all ready? Okay. This is an octopus. An octopus. Come on, children. Repeat after me.
This is an octopus. This is an octopus.
It has 8 legs.
It has 8 legs. This is an octopus. A says octopus.
Very good. Children, today we have learned so many new things about water animals. So now I'm going to ask you some questions and you are going to give me the answers. And I want the answers in complete sentence, full sentence, okay? So let's start. What is this?
This is a crab.
Excellent! Identify and name these water animals. Come on, who will give me the answer? Yes? First picture is
Says fish. This is a fish.
very good. Now, who will tell me the second picture?
A says octopus. This is an octopus. It has 8 legs.
Yes, these are water animals. You did very well. I am amazed by your answers. Children, in the same way you have to study. Okay, children? Now here is the worksheet. I will give the instructions on how to solve it. So, my dear children, what you have to do is you have to look at the given pictures, identify the animals and write the first letter of their names in the given boxes. Children, you have to first identify all the water animals and you have to write the first letter of their names. Okay? You can take help of your parents. In this way, you have to solve this worksheet. Take care. Bye-bye.